So by facing the fear and intentionally crossing the threshold into action, we're deliberately choosing to evoke new experiences that recondition the anxiety in our nervous system. And we'll do that by pairing an old pattern of fear or an old block of fear with a new, more positive pattern of courage and action. We contradict the old wiring and we rewire it. And this is reconditioning at its finest. So Eleanor Roosevelt, do you remember her famous motto? Do one thing every day that scares you. There's lots of other versions of that since. And that's wise practice from a fairly stellar role model of resilience who coped with the hardships of the Great Depression, the tragedies of World War II, and the infidelity of a husband who happened to be president of the United States. But the do one thing a day exercise, you might ask your client to identify one scary thing to do today. This is practicing crossing the somatic threshold of anxiety. And it's to practice experiencing something new.